po. I'm Christine Ruby Atindido from the Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. I'm an English sociology fourth year po. And we're conducting po an interview about the different languages used in Bicol region, particularly po Bicol Masbate po. It's our final requirements for the anthropology.
I see.
Thank you po pala in advance. And to start po the interview, may I ask po about po your general info, like your age, your civil status, and how long did you live as well in the province?
Okay, to start with, I'm Mara A. Villa, of course single, 19 years of age, and currently studying in Bicol University College of Education, and actually living in the Bangit Bananas Masbate for 19 years.
May I ask what are the terms of number 1 to 11 in your province?
Okay, so number 1 in our dialect is uno, number 2 is dos, number 3 is tres, 4 is cuatro, 5 is cinco, 6 is seis, 7 is siete, 8 is ocho, 9 is nueve, 10 is diez,